Class 10. Chapter 9. Heredity and Evolution. Term 2. Part 2. In this video, we learn about some important terms of heredity. Important terms of heredity are 1. Chromosome, 2. DNA, 3. Gene, 4. Contrasting characters, 5. Dominant traits, 6. Recessive traits, 7. Homozygous, 8. Heterozygous, 9. Genotype, 10. Phenotype, 11. Homologous, 12. Heterologous. Chromosome. Chromosomes are long thread-like structures present in the nucleus of a cell which contain heredity information of the cell in the form of genes. This is the nucleus and chromosome. DNA and gene. DNA is the chemical in the chromosome which carries the traits in a coded form. Gene is the part of a chromosome which controls a specific biological function. This picture shows the chromosome, DNA, and gene. Contrasting characters. A pair of visible characters, such as tall and dwarf, white and violet flower, round and wrinkled seeds, green and yellow seeds, etc. These are contrasting characters. Dominant and recessive traits. Here first we know allele. Allele is a specific way in which the different forms of a gene can be physically expressed. To write alleles, pick letter which represent the gene. Capital letter represent dominant allele, and small letter represent recessive alleles. Dominant. The trait that first appears or is visibly expressed in the organism is called the dominant traits. Recessive traits. The trait that is present at the gene level, but is masked and does not show itself in the organism is called the recessive trait. Here we're showing the alleles, dominant and recessive traits with the help of Punnett square. Here capital BB small bb and capital B small b are alleles. Here capital B show the dominant traits, and small b show the recessive traits. Genotype and phenotype. The given picture shows the genotype and phenotype. A genotype refers to the genetic characteristics of an organism. A phenotype refers to the physical characteristics. Homologous and heterologous. Homologous. Homologous refers to having inherited different forms of a particular gene from each parent. A heterozygous genotype stands in contrast to a homozygous genotype. This figure shows homologous dominant, and this homologous recessive. Heterologous. Heterologous refer to an individual inherits identical forms of a particular gene from each parent. This figure shows the heterologous genotype. This is the end of video.